Hi viewers, in this video I will share all the details for how to rewind microwave oven transformer into spot welding transformer. Also, I will share all the technical details. So please don't skip, watch the full video till end. It's the old defective poor insulated wire which I removed from this transformer. These some scrap copper cables I'm gonna use for rewind again the spot welding transformer. First of all, I have to cut them in pieces as per required length and remove the insulation. Cutting is done and wire's insulation removed successfully. It's time to remove double insulation from wires. As can be seen how gently I removed the copper wire insulation. I made this temporary jig for stripping copper wire's insulation. Here are all wires after stripping insulation and can be seen how there looks like after stripping. Now it's time to twist each copper wire for perfect shape. I twist wires from both ends to get them in good shape. Here how it looks like after twisting. Here are all copper raw wires after twisting and can be seen how beautiful they looks like. Now I am going to twist all raw copper wires together for make a thick spot welding wire. Now I will also twist the cable from another end for better result. Spot welding wire is twisted successfully. It's approximate in same length with the old cable. At this time I am going to use this high quality insulation tape and see its results. For wrapping insulation tape, I need to place the wire tightly. And start from the one end to another end and repeat again for double the insulation on wire. Wire insulation completed successfully. It's time to throw the old wire and rewind transformer with new build wire. Here's all scraped copper wire's insulation waste. First of all, need to remove old fish papers and install new insulators. Now need to rewind the microwave transformer into spot weld transformer. It's rewind successfully. It's time to measure its electrical parameters. Please don't skip, keep watching. Primary winding resistance 1.7 ohm. Main voltage 229 volt AC. Main input frequency 60 Hz. Again, the main input voltage 230 volt AC. Input no load 1.5 amps. Short circuit input load 34 amps. Once again, output short circuit input draw 33 amps. Once again open circuit, no load 1.7 amps. Secondary output, no load voltage 4.3 volt AC. Short circuit voltage 0.750 volt AC. Output short circuit 1121 amps. Once again output short circuit 1149 amps. Test one more time now, 1229 amps. Under load voltage drop test. Test weld on 1.48 plus 1.48 equals 2.9 millimeters metal. Under load output voltage 1.7 volt AC. Once again under load voltage reading 1.7 volt AC. Please follow me and subscribe my channel for the next video where I will explain if this transformer can weld the different materials in nickel strip spot welding. Thanks for watching.